But the only old building you're gonna see here is the oldest church in Medellin. Everything else has been demolished. But you can still come here and do old school stuff. So do you see a bunch of people just sitting and standing? They are engaging in a paisa sport that we call people watching. That is gonna tell you a lot more about my culture than I can in the whole tour. And do you see some plastic thermoses, plastic flasks all over? Those have tinto. Tinto in Colombia is any black coffee. But that tinto is very special because it's a mix of hot water with a lot of sugar and a little instant coffee. If you're coffee gourmets, stay away from that. If all you need is a boost of energy, go ahead, grab a tinto. And the thing with the garment industry is that it's so important for Medellin that it has also shaped the face of the city. Because this company that was called Coltejer decided to build the tallest building in Medellin, and to this day is the tallest building in town. So to the left of the church, do you see a building with a couple of flags on top? That is Coltejer building, 37 stories high. Behold!
This was the Real City tour. We just finished off. That was pretty cool and awesome. What did you guys think of the tour?
It was awesome. I would highly recommend it, and a great tour guide.
Nice.
So, yeah.
And sorry, your names again were?
Aaron?
Stacy. So you guys are living my dream. Like, you know, you're just traveling everywhere and just kind of seeing the world. So I'm slowly getting to there. But
doing a great job. And you have new subscribers.
Yes, more than 5. Yes, that's all I'm going for. Standout memorable foods. Did you have the big ass ants I had earlier? Yeah. Yes.
Not the ants, but the breakfast. What was that? That you ate that she was asking if you.
Oh, that was the bidet.
Oh, the bidet. That was delicious. That's that's just the fried pork belly. It's not too late if you want some big ass ads.
We're good. Thanks.
All right. See. So this is Sasha. She's pretty awesome. She's been here in Medellin. So what's Medellin? Sorry, Medellin. See, she even pronounced it better than me. So are there, what so far have you either seen that you really enjoyed or that you're still to be seen? Or eat or do?
Or eat or do.
Or the perspective from a vegetarian as well. So yeah.
From a pescatarian.
Pescatarian, sorry.
So I did Comuna 13 yesterday, and I had a very different arepa than I had the day before, and that was cool. Yeah. Like a stuffed, like a wrap almost. Coffee.
Oh, the coffee.
Very good. I think I'm gonna do the cable cars.
Nice.
Sadly, I'm gonna skip Guatape.
Next time.
I'm leaving Saturday. I don't have enough time. I'm staying in Bagado. Tomorrow I'm getting tonight I'm getting my eyebrows microbladed.
Oh,
so
okay.
That's
Beauty services here seem a lot cheaper. People have been telling me.
I think everything is.
Everything's cheap.
Yeah. Well, it's like $70 US versus at home, 450.
Gee, yeah.
Hope I don't look terrible. But the people, I looked at the reviews, I looked at the videos. She looks pretty awesome.
I feel they do a good job with those things because they take it very seriously.
Their looks here.
The beauty services, we'll call it.
Yeah. And then tomorrow is maybe salsa dancing tomorrow.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I need to take some private lessons, so I don't make a complete ass of myself in public before I do it. Daniel,
what's up?
any tips you want to give to anyone coming to Medellin for the first time or second time?
Put your phone in your underwear.
Put your phone in your underwear, and then call yourself a lot. Are you on Instagram? So if anyone needs to come find you on a tour,
yes.
Yeah, what's your handle? How do they find you?
My Instagram is Susana, like SUSANAT.actriz, like actress in Spanish. That's my Instagram.
Awesome.
Yes.
Amazing. Yes. So no, thank you so much. That was amazing. I could definitely see like your dramatic training coming in, and it just keeps everything so much more interesting.
Very melodramatic.
No,
if people like that, they like me. If they want somebody very serious, they hate me. That's what happens.
Yeah. No, definitely. My 5 subscribers do not like serious. So.
Okay. Good. That's great.
Awesome. Yeah. So definitely find Susie if you can with Real City Tours, and give this a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Oh, you had the buñuelo. Do you recommend it? 5 stars. Yeah. Good Yelp review. Yeah.
It's
Nice.
like a beignet with cheese.
Okay. Oh, I love beignets and I love cheese. So let's get some. All right. Yeah. Amazing. Gracias. Ooh. So these are buñuelos. Buñuelo. Or something that kind of sounds like that.
How much is the family?
Two. So,
Repita una vez más.
two.
Buñuelo.
Buñuelo.
It's very hard to say.
Buñuelo.
The name.
Buñuelo, yeah.
I just keep trying. Don't like I'm sure that for me it's like
Buñuelo.
I think I got it.
Ooh, what's that?
Chicken?
Chicken. Ah, fried chicken. Oh, is that a pastel de polo? Pastel de polo?
pollo.
And
Yes, I know it's
Not pescado.
And is that a pastel de polo?
Ah, señora. ¿Y cuál es? Ahí.
Pastel de polo?
I don't know. I tried.
Oh. All right. That's good.
That's really good.
Damn.
That's awesome.
Oh. Those it's so good.
¿Puedo comprarte una vez? ¿Sí?
Absolutely delicious. If you love cheese, in a fried dough, awesome. Pastel de polo? Calento. Army. All right. Whew, I got my bag of polo. Hopefully it'll be better than the one I had yesterday.
I think I had like a day.
Gracias. So here is the pastel de polo I just picked up here at Peter Pan. Yes, Peter Pan. Hopefully it's better than the one I had yesterday. I picked up one yesterday by the side of the metro station. Alright.
Did you get what I got?
What'd you get there?
It's like a sweet cheese. Do you want to try it?
Gracias. Sweet cheese. Ooh.
I didn't know it was sweet. I don't regret it. It's nice to set that was a
So
long.
good.
Great toilet.
This pastel de polo definitely better than the one I had yesterday, but it might also be because this one's warm. So